proprioception? Proprioception allows us to perceive the location, movement and action of different parts of our body. It basically enables us to control all of our limbs without having to look at them directly. It's often referred to as our sixth sense. Proprioception tells our body how to position itself for a serve in tennis without having to look up to where the arm and racket are. We can hit the ball without having to keep eye contact with it. This makes even the smaller tasks much easier, and it is really important in everyday life. How does proprioception work? There are small receptors in all of our muscles which form part of a proprioceptive system. These receptors can sense the tension, the stretch, and also pass on information to the brain where it is then processed. The brain then tells the muscles when they need to relax or contract. This all happens within our subconscious. We don't actually have to think about these movements, but they are often reflexes. No system is perfect. If our proprioceptive system was perfect, then every person would be a gold medal gymnastics. Often these systems work in conjunction with our eyesight to help us out with more complicated tasks. For example, bowling and cricket. We wouldn't be able to do this without seeing exactly where the ball is going when we're throwing it. What happens when we're injured? Following an injury, the receptors will be damaged and will no longer be communicating successfully with the brain. As a result, the body is less able to balance and coordinate itself and more prone to re-injury. The positives of retraining your proprioceptive system as part of your rehabilitation program will not only help regain the receptors that you've lost, but also help prevent injury. There are lots of different ways this can be done, and much of it will be through appropriate exercise. My colleagues Bryony and Nat will be going through both lower and upper body exercises to support you at home.